We would normally start our mornings at the skate park, but on this day, we got rained out. So instead, we went to the Sunrise Shack, we grabbed some breakfast, got in the Jeep, and then we hit the road.
We decided to explore the island for our 1-year anniversary, and we found a secret beach. At least we call it a secret beach because there's no one there.
One of the things we saw on our trip was this ocean swing, and we found it.
We knew we wanted to go on a Pillbox hike to one of the abandoned military bunkers from World War II while we were in Hawaii, and we ended up finding one that was right near where we were staying. It's not one of the famous ones, so it was great because there were less people and it still had incredible views.
And it was definitely a fun hike. It was challenging, especially if you skate the entire morning before, but it was cool just to see some of the history of Hawaii while at the same time taking in amazing views.
On our way to the beach.
Olivia said this is the first time we're walking.
Okay, well, I meant instead of driving the Jeep somewhere.
We've been walking a lot. Quick update. We're 10 seconds into walk. It's raining.
It's raining. Yep. Third shower of the day.
And the good thing is, even when it rains here, it dries up pretty quick just because it is so warm. But we're going to Turtle Bay.
Gonna watch the sunset.
Hopefully see some sea turtles, but definitely are gonna see a sunset.
Forgot our beach towel this is on.
Shoot. Liv has an update.
Stopped raining. That's it.
Stopped raining.
It's down here. So getting some marsh.
Where was it?
Forgetting Sarah Marshall was filmed at Turtle Bay.
Update. Liv loves taking photos of palm trees.
I only have 13 so far.
It's a good place for them.
So pretty. Update, we made it.
Go rock.